Yeah, g'day guys. Just coming at you with a quick review of a new product called AffiliWeapon. I'm just inside the members area right now, as you can see, and this product allows you to basically have done for you commission sites linking to any affiliate offer that you want and driving free traffic to that offer simultaneously. So you can create up to 5 done for you sites on the front end product of $19 and also drive free traffic. So it's all done for you. It's a great way to get started in affiliate marketing. If you are looking to get started, it's a great way to add on to an income stream. But I'm going to quickly go into my bonuses because I am offering a big bonus ones because I believe AffiliWeapon is a great product to add to your arsenal. And I'm going to I've really bonused this up for you guys as well, so you guys can get the maximum amount out of your purchase with AffiliWeapon. Now, if you buy the $19 product on AffiliWeapon, I'm going to give you bonus license rights to my upcoming product called Infusion. Now, Infusions are going to be a great new product where you'll be able to leverage big chunky commissions of $500 plus $1,000, and I'm allowing you to resell that and steal that as your own product, and you'll be able to sell it for 100% commissions, which is pretty epic. So, and I believe you'll be able to earn up to $600 per customer. I'm also giving away $0 to $100 in 24 hours. A great way to, if you're falling short on a couple of bucks, great way to find out, to get $100, or just to start generating another income stream quickly. Giving away the lost code. This is a real personal one, actually, because I bought this nearly 2 years ago. I sat on it for a while until about last year. I wish I did it earlier. It's a great info product on how to get starting in what I do personally, and it's how I really got going, and it's what really was the trigger effect in getting started. So I'm also giving away the Fuego multiplier. It's a bonus tutorial where you'll be able to multiply your profits. Urgency Suites Pro, which is a great way you can put down timers, and it's a software you can create a sense of urgency. So basically it gets the fence sitters to buy. It's a great product to have. It's a software. It's not cheap on its own, so it's definitely a good one to add to your arsenal. Fuego Breakout's a good way, also a good info product where you'll be able to, break out and bang in $650 commissions faster. So it's a really good one. Now, if you pick up any of the upgrades, and I believe the first upgrade starts at like $47. I'm going to give you Phoenix and all the upgrades, and Breakout Code and all the upgrades. Both products, complete product suite on both products. This retails around about $1,300, guys. So for both. So if you pick up the first upgrade for $47, you're actually picking up an extra complete bonus. Like people actually paid. If people bought the whole funnel, they paid nearly $700. So fully recommend you guys jump onto it. It's only just $47 to pick up. This is pretty epic. If you haven't picked up Phoenix or Breakout Code yet, or you've been sitting on the fence, a great way is to pick up AffiliWeapon for $19 on the front end, and then just pick up the second or the first upgrade for just $47. So it's a pretty simple way to get it for cheaper, a lot cheaper, and you get the full product thing, and you're also going to get a bonus license rights to additional 2 products as well. So I'm pretty excited about that. Now, for the series guys, if you purchase any upgrade worth $97 or more, so it could be for example, it might be the downsell on a $197 product, whether you pay for it $197 or $97, I'm going to get you 13K responsive leads to market to your products. I'm going to show you how to market those leads. It's going to come in an Excel spreadsheet. It's going to be completely yours once you pick it up, and you'll be able to really market those as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and you'll be able to really start leveraging, really start boosting your commission rates with just 13K leads. So if you pick that up today, I'm going to throw that in as well on any, if you pick up any upgrade worth 97 bucks or more. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because 13k leads, I pay around $1 per lead. So you're looking at $13,000 worth of leads right here, and I paid around about that just to get that. So I'm just letting you know that this is what it's worth. So that's why I can't give it away any less. So that's why I'm giving it away for 97 bucks or more when you purchase for 97 bucks or more. All right, guys. So please jump on, check it out. If it's for you, great. If you just want to buy Affiliate Weapon just for the bonuses, go ahead by all means. If that's a way, if it's a key for you to get into that, then by all means, I fully recommend it. And then I'm inside the affiliate dashboard here. So as you can see here, you can create to-go sites. So if you want to create a new site, so I'm in the done for you method here. So if you pick up the $197 done for you, you're pretty much ready to go. So there's already 20 done for you sites in here that you can choose from. Very simple. So I'm just going to go over here to this one, for example, and very easy to edit. It's a drag and drop editor, which is even better. So, and then what you can do is that when you get into here, you actually just need to, like, for example, we'll find a hyperlink. So for example here, so you just want to click on the box, and then you want to click down to edit, right? And then you just, like, you don't even, all you have to do is literally insert your affiliate link, guys. So do that, and then you just put your affiliate link here. Very simple, and then you go okay. So then you do that for the other ones. Now with the boxes, it's a little bit different. So you just click on the box, and then you just go click on that settings button there, and then you go to target link, and then you put your affiliate link right here where I'm typing your affiliate link. So it's very simple. If you wanted to, guys, you'll be able to use these pages to promote like the breakout code Infusion or Phoenix with you. If you pick it up on the, you'll get all the license rights. You'll have affiliate links. You'll be earning 100% commissions. None of that 50% stuff, all 100%, and you'll be able to jump onto that, guys. So very simple, very easy to use on Affiliate Weapon. Just being able to plug and play sites, very easy and simple. You can edit the pages yourself as well, but there's no need because it really is very, very easy to use. So guys, please jump on, grab your bonuses. They'll be available inside your receipt area on Warrior Plus. You'll be able to access it. So where you go to access purchase, down below it is a blue button, and it says access your bonuses, and you'll be able to do that. So you'll be able to access it once you get your receipt in your email following your purchase of Affiliate Weapon. Alright guys, thanks very much. I really look forward to you guys picking up this product. If you want to buy it for the bonuses, buy it for the bonuses. You're going to save a shit ton of money. Alright guys, thank you very much. I look forward to you jumping on. Cheers.